You might be familiar with this by now a little bit, this nitrous dashboard look, where I can go in and I can take a look at what's going on with my Hello World container if I wanted to, by opening up the IDE, and we've seen some of the code that's in there, and we've been synchronizing that with our GitHub repository. But what I'd like to do right now is to show you something else, and this won't be something that you need right away, but eventually you might want this, so I want to just demonstrate it to you. I can say add a container, and this is thinking ahead for when we'll need a back end. And I'm going towards making something that's known as a mean stack, where the N in mean, we'll see the other letters too, stands for Node.js. So I'm saying please create this Node.js container. And all of these things that we're showing up down there is just saying that it was opening up, copying files over, making this container for me. And I can open up the IDE, and it's going to look very similar to what our HTML container looked like. There is a little welcome screen here that tells us a little bit about what comes pre-installed with this container and how we can install more things into the container, and a little bit about maybe, I think it says a little bit about the operating system used within this container as well. But what I'm going to show you is just very simple here. I just want to show you that if I type in, this is my command line down here. Kind of cool that I get access to the command line on this server. And I type in Node, and I get that little greater than sign, which is a different prompt, you know, to let me know that I actually have Node running. And I can show you, I mean, we're not going to do anything with it right now, but if I typed in help, it just goes, oh, a little bit of it. Okay, so something exciting is going to happen here. To get out of it, I hit Control-C, and it tells me to do it again because I must really mean it. Control-C to quit. And that's how I set up my Node.js container. So stay tuned because we're going to set up more on this container just so you can see the full stack.